and welcome back to another Welsh Adventure. I'm Tom.
I'm Lucy.
And this time we're at Nant waterfall. I don't know if that's how you say it, but this is where we are on the map, just outside Wrexham, by the Cliff Valley. So we are by the Air Bomber Memorial in this little village, and we're going to be heading down this national speed limit road, and hopefully the path will be a bit more clear. Are you ready to get into it, Luce?
I'm ready.
Where are you? There you go.
Let's go.
Right, let's go. Overlooking the valley and all the lichen on the trees down there, but we're going to be heading right down there to find the waterfalls and caves, and I'm excited. So there's not many signposts, but you look out for these little green ones, and that's where we're heading. So we're going to take a little trip down this way between the barbed wire and the we're going to be descending in altitude very quickly into the valley, just trying to watch our step on the way down. And already over the first pass we've got like a deep quarry section there, the cave there. We're going to carry on down. When you get to the sign, across the road and down this little dark divot between the trees. Once again, another dense forest surrounded by silver birch. You've got the beach back there that we come past under these pines. Stand very tall. The rooty floor, the jaggedy rocks, very rugged landscape. You can hear some flowing water just over the lip of this hill. We've made it down to the flowing water. Very orangey tone to the water, which means it's iron rich. Bless me. And it's the same river which flows through Plas Power that we visited on another movie, if you've seen it. So the bridge is right down there. We started going up the other side, so we turned back. We've come back over the bridge, we've walked up this hill, and as the road bends round like that, we've just took the dirt track down this way, and we're going to head down this way and hope that we're going in the right direction. Fingers crossed. Right even. There's a massive steep embankment. Well done for the person who built that fence. That would not have been easy. Going on round the loop, going down in altitude towards the river. Little cave. You see anything in there, Luce?
Nope.
Get the light in there. Oh, it goes back quite a way. I don't think I'm going in there.
No. a bit small.
So coming off the beaten track, there's that little cave we found. You can just about see the waterfall through the trees. It does say steep slopes, no access. But we're in Wales. Isn't everywhere a steep slope? I think we found it. We found the waterfall. Hopefully we'll find more caves. But we're going to see where else we can go to get a different shot of the waterfall. Ooh, beautiful though. So I'm going to cross the river and make my way up to here to get a viewpoint of the higher. After a little short climb up. So now I'm going round there to this point. Just following the river downstream now to see if we can find any more little hidden gems beyond the tree line, hiding this gorgeous river and the waterfall. And off it flows underneath all the low foliage, and I mean it goes on and on and on. But maybe if we get back to the main track which lies along there, we might be able to walk and catch the river the other side if it opens up. So that's what I'm going to do. Meet back up with Lucy and go. So we've just come down the track a bit more, and through the break of the trees, once again hidden by the laurels, we've spotted another little baby waterfall. The water's flowing quite fast. I'm going to try and get across, but that is some fast flowing water. You wouldn't want to lose your foot in here. Whoa! Quick step and across.
follow the little path on, you come across a little bridging. Let's go down here and see where this little bridge goes. It's quite quaint, isn't it? There's the little bridge. River. That's where we've come from, where the little waterfall is. And on the other side, downstream.
So now, as the darkness is creeping in and we're losing all the light, it's a very dense forest down here, so we don't want to be caught out. So we're going to make our way back up, but you can carry on along the bridge and eventually it will bring you to the top of one of the hills where the reservoir is. But we're going to be heading back the way we came, see if we can find those caves quick and show you that before we set back on our travels home. So as you probably guessed, we've lost the light, but I've scrambled off piece to an old set of stairs that I happened to find, because I've been told the caves are down here and I do want to have a quick look before I go. Not sure if you can see it. But that's too sketchy to be doing that on your own in the pitch black when you can't even see your hand in front of your face. But that's where the caves are. We're gonna have to come back and explore another day. But no, that's too creepy now. Not getting no good vibes off that, so I'm heading back up to Lucy, following what used to be the old track down. And that's what I'm saying, you need to be careful because it's slippy as hell and steep, very steep. And as you come down these set of steps, sort of the first lot of steps that you find, this old one, this end one, is not attached, so do not stand on that one. You'll be going down a very steep hill. My camera can't even pick up the depth of it, but trust me, it's a long way down and the terrain is very slippy. But I will film the little entrance it takes to get down to it. I mean, I wouldn't advise it. I'm not saying you should do this, but I'm just crazy enough to do it. So do with that information what you wish, but I wouldn't advise it. So the location for the caves, when you come across this sign, danger, steep slopes, no access, that's where you want to go, directly behind it, and you'll see the fence has been pushed down. You go down there and it bends round to the left, you follow it right down the set of steps here, then down further, bends round to the left again, and the caves are sort of directly under this fire road here. But like I say, I am not accessing them on my own in the dark, because that's how people get injured. But it just gives us a reason to come back here when it's sunny one day and we have a bit of light and a better torch than just a phone, and go explore them. But if you've gone into the caves before, I'd like to actually know what's in there, what's at the back, how deep does it go, and what we expect to find. Because quite interested in all that sort of stuff. But I haven't even got a hard hat or gloves, so it's not wise. And we don't want to get stuck out here, do we, Luce?
Absolutely not.
Nope, we need a little wizard stick.
This is my stick.
Right, let's begin our incline walk all the way back to the top, to the car. And we made it back to the car with only street lights to cover us when we got out of the woods. But that was a very dark end to our walk.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not sure how to say it. Once again, I don't want to butcher the Welsh any more than I already have. But yeah, that was a couple cute little waterfalls and some scary caves to explore. Yeah, sorry I didn't go in it. I'm not that brave or stupid. But we are going to head home now. But we appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and thank you. Oh, but I am knackered. But yeah, apart from that, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in some more Welsh adventures in a few months, because this is the last of the little series of the ones that have been popping up on your YouTube, and we appreciate you watching all of them. And if you haven't, watch all of them. But thank you. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.